Welcome to Minutes Mastery by 3T. Today I shall break down few key terms like dinks, sink, yuppies and understand their relevance in India's consumer landscape. My students who study marketing love to use these specific terms to understand consumer behaviors based on household structures and income patterns. Recognize which group you belong to and make informed choices that suit your lifestyle. First, let's talk about dinks. That means dual income, no kids. This group is growing in urban areas like Mumbai and Bengaluru. With more disposable income, dinks are prime consumers for luxury brands, travel and technical gadgets. Research shows a 15% increase in high-end vacation bookings from dink couples in India. Secondly, sink, single income, no kids. These are either single individuals or one partner earning in a couple. Sinks often prioritize personal development, health and career growth. For example, professionals in Gurgaon spend more on fitness and education. Third, SIP, single income with kids. Many households in India traditionally operate on one income, generally of the male member. With rising education and healthcare costs, SIP households tend to focus on savings and long-term investments and can be targeted with affordable education plans or insurance. Fourth, DIWK, that is DIWK, dual income with kids. Families where both parents work, like ours, they balance between family needs and experiences and lifestyle spending like vacations, but also in school education and extracurricular activities for their kids. Fifth, dinkwad, that is DINKWAD, dual income, no kids with a dog. Oh my God. With fewer children and more pets, pet care spending in India rose by 35% in 2023. Brands like Pedigree, Head Up for Tails are flourishing as pets are treated as family members. Sixth, the yuppies, young urban professionals. They live in big cities, work in tech or finance and spend on premium brands and experiences. They are often early adopters of technology and lifestyle trends. Seventh, Henry, high earners, not rich yet. This group includes high-earning professionals who are still building wealth. They often invest heavily in stocks, real estate, and long-term assets. So, understanding these consumer groups helps business and marketers tailor their offerings accordingly. Join us on Minutes Mastery tomorrow to know and grow.